Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're stepping into the digital classroom to explore educational technology and e-learning. From smartboards and tablets to online courses and virtual classrooms, technology is reshaping how we teach, learn, and connect. And whether you're a teacher, student, or lifelong learner, this is a revolution you need to understand. You can explore the full series playlist by clicking the link in the video description below. What is educational technology and e-learning? Educational technology, or EdTech, refers to the use of digital tools, platforms, and systems to improve teaching and learning. E-learning specifically means learning through electronic means, often online, whether through videos, apps, webinars, or full virtual schools. Together, they bring innovation, flexibility, and personalization to education. Why it matters. Technology in education isn't just about screens. It's about access, engagement, and opportunity. It makes learning more interactive and fun, helps reach students in remote or underserved areas, offers flexibility. Students can learn anytime, anywhere, enables personalized learning tailored to individual needs, prepares students for the digital workforce of the future. After the COVID-19 pandemic, millions of students and teachers around the world shifted to online learning overnight, highlighting both the power and the challenges of EdTech. Examples of EdTech in action. Some popular EdTech tools include learning management systems like Google Classroom, Moodle, and Canvas, gamified platforms like Kahoot, Quizzes, and Duolingo, AI-powered tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly for writing and research, online learning platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, and Udemy assistive technology for students with disabilities like screen readers, text-to-speech, or speech recognition tools. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and adaptive learning are also rising trends, turning science lessons into 3D labs and history lessons into immersive experiences. Challenges of educational technology. Of course, EdTech comes with some challenges. Digital divide. Not all students have devices or internet access. Teacher training gaps. Many educators need support to use new tools. Screen fatigue. Too much time online can harm health and focus. Data privacy. Student data must be protected from misuse. That's why effective EdTech must be balanced, inclusive, and thoughtfully integrated. Why aspiring teachers must learn this? As a future educator, EdTech isn't optional. It's essential. You don't need to be a tech wizard, but you do need to know the tools available, select the right tool for the right task, keep learning and adapting. Use technology to enhance, not replace, human connection. The best classrooms of tomorrow will combine high-tech tools with high-touch teaching. What's next? In our next episode, we'll explore instructional design and multimedia learning, creating digital content and interactive learning experiences. Make sure to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out the full playlist linked in the description. Thanks for going digital with us, right here at the Learning Studio.